Hello, everybody, and welcome back. If our keyboard stops working or we want an easier way to type in, enabling the on-screen keyboard helps us keep typing without interruption. So we may follow these steps. For that, you may head over to our settings. We may open up our settings, and within our settings, go to the accessibility section and click on it. And within accessibility, you may scroll down and find the section for keyboard and click on it. And what you need to do is turn on the on-screen keyboard option. Here we have on-screen keyboard and access key. You just need to find this feature right here and turn this option on like this. And when you enable it, you'll be finding an on-screen keyboard on your screen. A virtual keyboard will appear on the screen. You can just go over and type in using this keyboard right here. Press enter and use it up on your device. This is how you do it. Apart from that, you can even use a shortcut key. Usually you can type in Windows, Control, and O. So for that, you need to type in Windows, Control, and then O. So let me just show you. Windows, Control, and O, and when you do, it will show you a virtual keyboard on your screen once again, which you can use to type in what you would like to type in on your screen. So you can just go and use it. And that's it. Usually this is how you do it. Now we can type using the on-screen keyboard anytime. You may follow up these quick tips in order to do so. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe.